crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a class kit unboxing from Simon Says Stamp and Cathy Zielske. She is doing a Create Together class for Simon Says Stamp, and that is on July 17th at noon Eastern Time. And that will be over on the Simon Says Stamp YouTube channel. And so this is the class kit for that. I wanted to go through and do an unboxing with you for that because I had done one for the Jennifer Maguire class and people found it very helpful because if you weren't getting the kit, they wanted to know what supplies to put together for the class. The class is completely free. You can use your own supplies, or Simon does have the kit available on their website. I did check right before I filmed this. Unfortunately, the kit itself has sold out, but they are selling each individual piece, and there are also some bundle packs as well. So if you are interested in anything in here today, you can go check that out. Let's pull this out of here. But I think it's good to see what's in here and see if you have any supplies in your stash that can work for the class and pull those together in preparation for that. Ooh, look at all this stuff. All right, don't even know where to start. All right, as always with Simon kits, you get a lollipop. All right, let me just kind of sort this out a little bit. Lots of goodies. All right, first we have a coupon. This is $5 off your next order at Simon Says Stamp, and the code is FRESH, and this is valid through August 25th, 2026. So if you're gonna make a purchase, use that coupon code. All right, let me just try to find the stamp set here. All right, so this stamp set, this is the Christmas Joy. And this kit is actually called Christmas Joy in July. So it's getting ready for the holiday season and learning some new tips and tricks and all that good stuff. So we have lots of beautiful ornaments and this kind of modern looking tree, snowflakes. We got an awesome splatter stamp, or it could be snow. And just, I love the fonts on here. And this Merry Christmas, Merry and Bright, celebrate the season, peace and joy. And there are some sub-sentiments. We have some little like sparkle additions. Oh, it's a presents down here. And there is the ribbons to stamp on top of that. So that is awesome. So cute. Let's see. Oh, and then we do have the die set that goes along with that, and that will cut out all of the pieces in there. And you have the sentiments and the triangles and the circles and the presents and all that good stuff, so that's great. It's always nice when the die set comes with the stamp set, so you don't have to worry about that being extra. All right, I'm gonna hide this foil behind here. We're all gonna be blinded very soon. All right, let's see. All right, and then we also have a Christmas Joy stencil, and it's all of the shapes for the stamp set. So that is an amazing way to be able to color these in. So you could stamp the stamp in a certain color and then use the stencil to kind of fill that in as well. So you could get a two-tone, like on these ornaments and this snowflake. You could stamp the stamp, but then use the stencil, and the middle would be a different color, or for the presents. So that's really cool. And then let's see what else we have here. We have these triangle tags, and this one has a little bow, and the hole at the top. So these are perfect tags to put on your gifts or things like that. And it's just, I mean, I'm not sure if I've ever seen a triangle tag before. So that is really awesome. I think you could do really cool things, you know, turning them sideways and doing, you know, the words this way, or, you know, on the bottom and doing a thing on the top. It's really cool. I'm excited for the class because I can't wait to see what Cathy will lead us through for using these. And these are her designs, so I'm sure she has some great ideas for what to do with that. And then we have this little mini set. This is the tag to and froms, and it has a die set to go with it. Cuts out everything. And these are perfect for these tags. So, and they're sized just for that. I like this one, a bit of holiday joy for you. So you could stamp that on one of the sides, and then on the other side do the to and from. All of this with love, happy holidays. So it's that same font, and it's just shrunk down to tag size. We have a lot of different fonts for the to and froms, some sub-sentiments. So that is great. All these together. And then we have a little sticker, teacher's pet. That's so cute. And you get one of these with every Create Together class. All right, let's see. There's so many things in here. We get the Simon foam squares. These are the little bit thicker ones, but they're still not crazy loft on there. And then I cover up the glare there, sorry. And then we have some Simon silver cord, and these are perfect for the tags. And then, oh, look how pretty these are. These are the moonshine, and they are so pretty and so sparkly. They're just those confetti ones, so they're flat, like a tiny little cup on the edge, but there's no hole in the middle or anything like that. That add a perfect sparkly touch. And let's see where else. We have the Audrey blue cardstock. This is heavyweight. And then we have the sage, also heavyweight. That's from Simon. And then this one is the cotton candy, also heavyweight. And then we have, let's see, 1, 2, I think 3 sheets. And this is the Neenah 110 pound. And then, sorry, here's like, it's too shiny. This is the Tim Holtz Craftstock in silver. So you can do a lot of cool techniques with this. It does have a craft core. So if you emboss this with an embossing folder, and then you can sand off the top, and the craft will show through. So you can do cool techniques that way. But I'm sure Cathy will tell us what she has in mind for that. All right, let's see. Then we have this 6-pack of the Positively Saturated inks from Simon. We have Sage, Aspen, Ocean, Surf, Ballerina, and Fairy. And they do have this pack in the store. So they pulled out some different colors from the other collections and put them all together into this one little bundle pack. And let's see, and I will list all of the supplies that are in here in the description box and over on my blog, so that you can go and look at that. So there are, like I was saying before, there's different bundle packs of that, but you can pick up each individual thing individually. So we have 2 brushes. These are the flat mini brushes. And then this is a very small container of the Tim Holtz Rock Candy Glitter. This is very fine. I love this glitter, so I'm excited to have it in a little container. It's a little bit more manageable. And then we have Simon Says Stamp. This is the fine silver embossing powder. And then we have a small one of the Kraft glue, and this glue is awesome. And it is clear and matte. So even if you have, if you're putting on like these confettis and you have the glue ooze, it dries matte, so you can't even see that it is there. So I think that is everything. So again, the class is July 17th at noon. That is a free class, and it will be on the YouTube channel, so you can go and watch it as many times as you want. You can craft right along with the class. And coming up next for you, I have a video that you will love, and I will also put on the end screen my Simon Says Stamp unboxing playlist, and that has all of my regular card kit unboxings, but it does have the Jennifer Maguire kit unboxing if you want to check that out. There's a Tim Holtz unboxing, and as well as the regular monthly card kits. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.